To link notes together in Obsidian, open any note, place your cursor where you want the link, and type 2 opening square brackets, like this. As soon as you type those 2 brackets, Obsidian will show a list of all the other notes in your vault. Start typing the name of the note you want to link to. The list will filter down as you type. Once you see the correct note, click it with your mouse or just press enter, and Obsidian will automatically complete the link for you, closing the brackets. That's it. You've now created an internal link. If you hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac, and then click that link, Obsidian will jump you directly to the linked note. This entire process is the core of how you build a connected knowledge base inside Obsidian. Instead of keeping all your information trapped in separate, isolated files, you create pathways between them. Let's walk through a practical example. Imagine you have a project called Website Redesign. Rather than cramming every detail into one massive note, you would create separate notes for things like the project kickoff meeting, your competitor research, design mockups, client feedback, and your task list. Inside your main project note, you would then type project kickoff meeting, competitor research, and so on. Each of those becomes a clickable link. Now, from your project overview, you can instantly jump to any related piece of information without ever touching a folder or using the search bar. There are 2 powerful nuances to this system. First, you don't need the target note to exist yet. If you type future project idea and that note doesn't exist, Obsidian creates what's called a placeholder link. It will appear in a slightly different shade or style. When you click on that placeholder link, Obsidian will instantly create the new blank note for you. This is incredibly useful for capturing ideas without breaking your flow. You can keep writing and come back later to fill in those new notes. The second nuance is the backlink. Whenever note A links to note B, Obsidian automatically records that relationship. You can open a panel called the backlinks pane, usually found on the right sidebar, and it will show you every note that contains a link pointing to the current note you're viewing. This is how you discover connections you might have forgotten. You might open a meeting note and see that it's linked from 3 different project notes and a daily note. That context is invaluable. A common mistake beginners make is trying to decide on a perfect linking strategy before they start. Don't overthink it, just start linking. If 2 notes are related, even in a small way, create the link. The tiny effort of typing 2 brackets and a few letters pays off massively over time. Another pitfall is using vague note titles. If you have a note called Notes or Ideas, your links become meaningless. Instead, use descriptive titles like Website Redesign, Project Kickoff Meeting, or Marketing Strategy. This makes your link list easy to scan and the connection instantly clear. You should also avoid duplicating information. If you find yourself typing the same fact into a meeting note and a project note, stop, type it in one place, then link to it. This keeps your vault clean, prevents conflicting information, and makes updates easier because you only have to edit one note. As for the workflow, you can combine internal linking with folders and tags for a complete organizational system. Use folders to store notes in broad categories like projects, meetings, or research. Use tags to flag notes across those folders by topic, like #client or #urgent. And use internal links to connect individual ideas directly, regardless of where the files sit. The links are what make your vault feel like a wiki, not just a folder of documents. As your vault grows to hundreds or even thousands of notes, you will rely less and less on searching through folders. You will simply follow the links you have built, moving from one related idea to the next with a single click. Here is a quick recap. To link notes, type 2 opening square brackets, start typing the title of the target note, and press enter or click the suggestion. Use descriptive titles so your links are meaningful. Don't be afraid to create placeholder links for notes you haven't written yet. Review the backlinks pane regularly to discover hidden connections, and make linking a daily habit. Whenever you mention a project, a person, a meeting, or an idea that has its own note, link to it. That small habit will transform your vault from a simple collection of documents into an interconnected network of knowledge that becomes more valuable every time you add a new note. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please save the video so you can come back to these steps whenever you need them.